Hi there, I'm Jeanette Lane and I'm here with Christina Griffiths. Hi Christina.
Hi Jeanette.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. And you?
I'm good.
Good.
Thank you. We are super excited to talk about the Papercraft Society subscription box. Oh my goodness, how wonderful is it? You are the first featured designer.
I am, and I'm so honoured to be the first featured designer. It's such a great box.
Yes, and I am also honored, Christina, because I got to have a play with all of the crafty items inside, which are gorgeous, they're stunning. And I was able to make a card, which is here. Have you seen this card?
No, I haven't.
Here is the card up close, and I used not just the stamps and the dies that were included in the kit, but also some embellishments, which you love.
I do, and I like the colour choices that you've made on that. It's really pretty.
Now, inside of the Papercraft Society box, there's also a mini magazine included. Look at you, Christina, hold that up for us. That's gorgeous.
That's me with my new hair.
I remember the day we took that picture. That was fun. So inside of the magazine, there's also step-by-step instructions. So if you want to know everything that I did to create this card, you can recreate it yourself. And there's 15 projects total.
Yes.
Yeah, so really excited for the Papercraft Society subscription box. We can't wait for you to subscribe. And to do that, just head to craftstash.co.uk/Papercraft Society for all of our subscription plans. Thank you so much, Christina.
Thank you, Jeanette.
Yeah, we'll see everybody real soon.
Bye.
Bye.